What payment tokenization is you're replacing the original credit card number with just a reference to that credit card number. That reference can then be used later to actually as a replacement for the original card number. So you don't need to have your payment details stored anywhere except for the original place, and it protects your underlying payment details from being exposed. When using raw card numbers, there's significantly more security considerations because every single computer, every single system that raw card number touches is an opportunity for that information to be logged somewhere, to be exfiltrated from the system. And so using the token as opposed to the card number is significantly more secure for everyday end users. The really big advantage of tokens, just like regular card numbers, they can be used for card on file and reoccurring purchases. So once you have a token, any system that supports that token, it can be used to reauthorize the purchase. So if someone is coming in and they don't want to have to re-enter all of their payment details or re-enter their CVV, tokenization supports that. If you want to have a subscription that runs every month, every year, every week, you can do that just by referencing the original token. Encryption is fundamentally different than tokenization because tokenization is one way. Given a token, there is under no circumstances, mathematically or not, of you reverse engineering that to get the original card number. Versus encryption, if someone was to gain access to the encryption keys, they could get access to the original card number. At the end of the day, we want our customers to be focused on their core products. We don't want them to be focused on PCI compliance or the complexity of payments or the security around payments. We want to make it easy. So the more that we can do, tokenization being a part of that, to allow you to focus on your core business gives you the strategic advantage of being able to outcompete your competitors and put all your time and attention to serving your customers.